Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. And thank you for stopping by today. And I'd like to welcome each and every one of my subscriber friends. You mean so much to me and I really appreciate your comments, and I do get back with you and I enjoy our conversing. That's how we become friends. So if you're new here, consider subscribing, hit that notification bell, and you'll know my next video that's coming out. And today we have a product that is brand new to my channel, and it may be brand new to you. And it is called the Hemp Crate Company. And this is a monthly subscription, and I'm going to read you a little bit about it so that we can all know more about the hemp crate. Now, this is not the kind of hemp that can make you all high and all that kind of stuff, so don't worry. This is a healthy box, and I picked the health and wellness box, and it says, let's take you to a CBD journey. Choose your box type and size below. The descriptions and images are indicative of the type of items you will receive. Each month will provide you with a wide assortment of CBD products so you can find out what works best for you. There is no easier or more cost-effective way to experience CBD. Join today and automatically start earning loyalty points for free CBD products. And you can choose out of this the Hempa the Explorer. And the Hempa Explorer is a perfect monthly CD box for individuals that want to try any and everything of CBD, from yummy treats like CBD cotton candy and honey sticks, teas, lotions, bath bombs, and so much more. And that runs $49.99. We also have the Health and Wellness, which is what I chose, and this is a monthly box that features a wide assortment of tinctures, topicals, capsules, bath bombs, edibles, and other items. And it says sore muscles even. If they got you down, look in it for an overall boost of wellness. This box has over $125 value, so does the Hempa Explorer, and this one too is $49.99. And you can also get one for the furry friends, and they say we have just the crate for you and your pup or cat. Just let us know a little bit more about your pet when selecting this box, and at the next step we can go through and customize it for you, and that box is $49.99 too. If you're just wanting some tinctures and maybe one treat or something, they have a $29.99 box. The Hemp Crate Company has lots to offer, and I purchased the Health and Wellness box. So let's pop in here and see what we have. So I don't even know exactly how many items we're going to get. We do have a card. It says 5 uses for hemp, and it tells us a little bit about hemp. And if you're not educated on the hemp plant, so let's find out what they have to say. Fiber in clothing. The hemp fiber is extremely strong and holds its place well. Shirts, canvas bags, and even hemp dresses are commonly produced. Edible hemp seeds. Crunchy, nutritious, and delicious, packed with a unique fatty acid profile, rich in vitamins, great on salads. Plastics. With its superior strength, hemp combines well with other composites like polyurethane. Livestock bedding. Take the care of herd, HUD, of the hemp plant, grind it up, and you've got a Seabiscuits bed. And then concrete. It's called Hempacrete. Nice try, imposter. And it says the hemp crate. So I don't know if we're going to get a variety of items that's going to have some of that stuff in here, or if that's just telling us 5 uses for hemp that we might not have known. This box is totally new to me, so I guess I'm going to just start pulling out things. I don't see a product card, so we're not going to really know too much about the box. That part, I'll have to say, is kind of disappointing, because if you're new to hemp, you would want to know more about it, but this may be the way that they educate you on it so that you can learn about it. But this is Cannabis. This is a crispy puffer. It's a CBD. It's 250 milligrams. And this would be something that you could eat that has the CBD in it for health benefits. And let's see if I can find anything else more about this. It does have a warning. It says to check with your local legislation for legalities. And this may be illegal in some states. I really don't know. I mean, in Texas here, hemp is perfectly fine. You can buy hemp oil, CBD oil in all stores. So I don't know anything in any states that this may be illegal. So if you're interested in this, you might want to check with your state to find out for sure. It doesn't really give me any other information other than it's a cannabis. It gives the nutrition facts. It contains milk, soy, coconut, and of course it's got CBD in it. It kind of looks like a Rice Krispie cookie. I think it's just a little treat. So that's one item we got in here. The next item that we have is Peppermint Extract. This is Peppermint Hemp Extract. It's from Upstate Elevator Supply, and this is organic. It says use daily as needed or as frequently by your healthcare provider. So I am not sure. It says it has 15,000 milligrams, and it's an organic full spectrum, and it's a peppermint hemp extract. So I'm going to have to check into this because I'm not sure if this is edible or if this is something that you put on your skin. But it has USD organic on there, so it's USDA approved. And I'm going to open it because I'm going to keep all this. I'm not going to pass this around because I don't know if your states can accept it or not. And I definitely don't want to get anybody in trouble. I can smell the hemp and the peppermint, and it kind of looks like a tonic. See what I mean? So this may be something that you ingest. I don't know. I won't ingest it until I investigate it. So the next item that I'm seeing in here is Dragonfly CBD Soaking Salts, and it's 200 milligrams. Oh, and that would be very nice. Now I could see that that would be relaxing. And it's got the soaking salts, and it probably has some magnesium in it. Yep, magnesium is the first ingredient. So this is pretty much just a bath soaker with a little bit of CBD isolates. And that's at the end of the ingredients, which means it has the least amount. Because technically, if you're going to have a bath soak, you better have lots of magnesium because that's what you need. The CBD would just be an extra relaxant. So our next item is Brio, and it's Sleep Raspberry Gummies. And these are broad spectrum hemp extract infused supplements, and this is for helping you go to sleep. And it says use 2 gummies, and we have 6 in here, so this will be a 3-time try, and it's for bedtime. Ready for some much needed rest? Brio's Raspberry Nighttime Gummies are the sweetest route to a peaceful night's sleep by combining 10 milligrams of broad spectrum hemp extract with melatonin. This tasty treat packs a punch. And I'm just going to have to say, from herbalist top point of view, the fact that it has melatonin in it, that's what's going to make you go to sleep. Again, the hemp may help you. The active ingredient in this for going to sleep is the melatonin. And if you travel, if you fly and have long trips, melatonin is great for that when you get off your inner clock. It can help you get back on your inner clock, but it can also help your night sleep each night because our bodies sometimes don't produce enough melatonin. So, this will probably work. I'll have to give them that. And I don't know how much hemp it's actually going to have in it. So, but it says it had 10 grams worth or 10 milligrams. And maybe that's all it needs to be like an extra relaxant to help you sleep. And I'm not going to say that it won't do that because CBD is a good product. And it's a natural product. It is an herbal type product. Now our next item is Fruit Punch, and it is a balm. And this is a little lip balm, and it's got their little logo on there, the Hemp Crate Company, and it's CBD lip balm. It's 25 milligrams of naturally occurring CBD per stick, and it's Fruit Punch. So let's smell this. It smells good. I can say I like putting that on my lips. I don't know if it's going to taste like that or not, but it smells good. Yeah, that's a nice balm from what I can tell. I think I'll enjoy that. Now our next item is called Pharmastrip, and this is hemp, and it's 10 milligrams. So 10 milligrams must be the limit for like most states. to be able to put this in their product. So that might be the maximum amount that you can put in the CBD product. And this is cinnamon, and it says it's a Pharmastrip, and it says for use, let product dissolve in mouth and swallow. Take 1 strip per day. So this is a strip that you can take to help for wellness, and it's cinnamon flavor, and it's a way for you to get 10 milligrams of hemp right into the system to relax, and that's what it says over here. So very interesting. Well, when I'm all stressed out, this might be something that would be nice for that. I'll have to tell you, I haven't tried any of these specific products ever before. I do take CBD oil on a regular basis, and that's good for arthritis. It's good for helping with the nervous system. My husband has Parkinson's, so it helps with that. He even takes CBD capsules, and it helps with that. So it has a lot of natural healing properties. And of course, if you've read anything about CBD, you know, there's CBD, there's the oil. Hemp is legal almost in every area, and it's a natural herb, and it's a healing and wellness herb. So in my box, I've got these Pharmastrip calming, relaxing strips. There's 10 of those. I got my fruit punch lip balm. I got my gummies for sleeping at night with hemp and melatonin. I got my nice little snack here that I guess is a relaxer snack too. And then I got my peppermint hemp extract oil. Now I will tell you, I don't know about hemp for the stomach, but I can tell you that peppermint is a wonderful smoother for the tummy. If you have an upset stomach or you've got indigestion or anything like that, peppermint oil or even sucking on a peppermint can help with that, and that's a natural way to help with indigestion and or an upset tummy. So that may be what this is for. And I will look more into that, because I'm not going to take anything that I don't know what I'm doing, especially when you're going to ingest it or have it on your skin. But anyways, that's a very interesting product, and that's what I think that it probably is. And of course, we had our CBD with 200 milligrams of soaking salts, but I can tell you from the ingredients that the 200 milligrams that you're probably looking at is going to be the magnesium. And the CBD is the last thing that's in it, so there's not going to be a lot of CBD in this. You're going to be getting a regular soak, which I'm sure it's going to be excellent. If you do take a bath soak, be sure and stay in the tub for 20 minutes. If you can stay in 40 minutes, that's even better. It helps pulls out impurities of your body. So it is a very good thing, and it also allows your body to absorb magnesium, which most people are short of magnesium. They're not short of calcium. And so when you're taking calcium tablets, if you're not taking magnesium, then you may not be absorbing your calcium either, because you need magnesium for it to all work together. So keep that in mind. And magnesium is also like a product that you can buy for nighttime. If you're needing to fall asleep, you can get like some capsules at the store. Magnesium helps the body relax and go to sleep as well. So all that kind of works hand in hand, I guess, with the hemp product. But anyway, that's what I had. 6 products for $49.99 plus shipping. So, and I don't even remember exactly how much shipping was. I have a 3-month subscription. I'm going to try this out for 3 months. So we'll see it for sure 3 more times, and we'll see what all we get. I don't know what my favorite item in here is. I'm going to say for me, I'm going to like trying out these gummies, and I'm going to like this lip balm. And it's very possible that this could end up being a favorite if it's what I think it's going to be. Because like I said, peppermint is a soothing product, and it could very well be for, like I said, indigestion and or upset stomach. But I'll find out more about that. And that's all I have in my first box of the Hemp Crate Health and Wellness. And I hope you liked it. Give me a comment down below. What do you think about this? Are you someone that has used CBD? Or are you someone that would not try CBD no matter what? Because, you know, you don't think that it's worth trying, or you're afraid of it. I know a lot of people think that it's marijuana, and it's not. It's hemp. And you can get hemp like shakes. You can get all kinds. You can even buy hemp milk. Yes, you can get milk. I know they talked about some other things that hemp's made out of. But you can also get hemp milk. It's like almond milk. It's very healthy, high in protein, very good for you, very healthy. So there's lots of healthy things out there, and that's one reason I'm checking into this box, to bring you some health type products for your body. We always do some self-care as far as makeup and creams and serums and all that kind of stuff, which are wonderful, but sometimes beauty needs to come from the inside out, and this may just be something that'll help you stay healthy, get healthy. But I'm not promising anything. I'm just presenting it and showing it and letting you know your options out there. You all let me know what your thoughts are. As for today and the hemp crate health and wellness, that's all I have. And be sure and check my descriptions for anything that's currently going on. But as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.